check out the orca, the ocean's top predator. Don't let the name scare you. They're actually the largest and most powerful members of the dolphin family. Orcas are fast, smart, and strikingly marked. They are versatile hunters, with a diet ranging from fish and seals to even sharks. They don't hunt alone. They work together in highly organized family groups called pods. Each pod has its own dialect and hunting tricks, led by wise older females. If you found that fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more.